Okay, for 7/100, we're going to work with fractional exponents, so let's just go right in order. The easiest thing I think to do is to remember that when you have 64 raised to the 2/3 power, that the 3 is the root you're taking, so underneath the denominator is the root, which kind of makes sense because it's under the denominator, so you could say that's the bottom or smaller, and then the top is what you're going to raise to the power. So it's easier to me to take the cubed root first, so the cubed root of 64, and then square it. So the cube root of 64 means what times itself 3 times gives me 64. So 3 is 3, 9, 27. 4 is 4, 16, 64. So that's really just 4 squared, which is 16. So 7/100a, the answer is 16. Now let's move on to b. I'll do it down here. So again, the raised to the 5/2 power means the square root, which I don't even need the 2, but of 25, then raised to the 5th power. So the square root of 25 is 5 raised to the 5th power. So this, if you can't do it in your head, you have to multiply it out, right, or use your calculator. So 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 again, times 5, times 5. And this comes out to 3,125. So that's part B. And then, I don't know, let me find some space over here. So we'll do C over here. So this is the 4th root of 81. And then we're going to take that to the 7th power. So the 4th root of 81 raised to the 7th power. So the 4th root of 81 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. So this is 3 to the 7th power. And again, if you can't do it in your head, you're going to have to multiply 3 out 7 times, right? 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you do that, or if you take out your calculator, let's just take out our calculator, I get 2,187. So the answer to part C is 2,187.